If you're a real estate investor, you probably have looked at a lot of OMs from brokers or statistics regarding multifamily buildings and seen the rent on a per square foot basis. And you may wonder, why is it that they do this on a per square foot basis instead of just talking about the rents? Well, there's a couple of reasons for it. The number one is the fact that with apartment buildings, obviously you got units of different sizes, one bedrooms, two bedrooms, three studios, whatever it may be. And the rent on a per square foot basis actually makes it a whole lot easier in order to provide an equalizer across the board to the different size of units. So that's one reason why they do it. Another one is the fact that, of course, you have apartments of different sizes. You might have stuff that's newly constructed, like the ones behind me, that are generally going to be smaller than some of the older stuff that you'll find that might be a lot of square footage for the money. So having a price based on a per square foot basis can kind of equalize the fact that you might have some tenants that are getting a much larger unit and, of course, consequently, probably willing to pay more if they're getting more square feet, even though the bedroom count might be the same as well. And then the third reason is that it makes it easier to gauge the overall market. So if you're looking at different unit counts and sizes across the industry, it makes it much easier for an investor to look at a certain market and say, okay, rents are $1.50 a square foot, they're $1.80 over here, or they're $2, $2.50, and so on throughout different regions of the market. So it's a whole lot easier to compare markets when you have that metric. And anytime the real estate developers are looking at a market, it's a very easy gauge for them to be able to say, hey, we know we have to be able to hit 225 a square foot in order to be able to afford to build this building. Or if we get it to 180, we can afford to do a garden style building here as well. So having that metric makes it a whole lot easier for the players in the market to be able to make a qualified decision a whole lot quicker and easier. And so that's why you see rents based on a per square foot basis. And you, an investor, can use the same metric in order to help get you farther faster.